Welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here, and today we're going to be learning the nested if function in Excel. It is super easy to learn. And why would you want to do that? Well, if you're looking at the screen right now, you can see I have three conditions. I have booked, overbooked, and available. And I have a sample of the actual formula right underneath that. And I've done it in the E column, but we're going to do it together. I'm going to do it together in less than 3 minutes. So let's begin. I'm going to start the timer and let me show you how this works. Okay, so if I left click my mouse in cell F3, what I want to know is I have 321 seats booked, but I only have 320 available. So the formula says that that's overbooked. The one below it looks like I have 250 seats available, but only 240, so that is available. And you can see down here, I have 320, and I've actually booked 320, so it looks like the flight is completely booked and no seats available. So let's go ahead and left click our mouse, and we're going to come up to the FX, or the insert your formula or function. I've showed you how to do that once before. And we're going to be doing our if formula. So IF, you're going to find that. You're going to click OK. And now we are going to put the argument in, or the test. The test is if C3 is greater than B3, we want to say overbooked. So let's go ahead and left click my mouse in cell C3, and I'm going to put the greater than sign in, and I'm going to left click on in B3, and now if it's true, I want the word overbooked. Okay, so you can type in basically whatever function you want. Now this is the next critical step. If you do not do this, it's not going to work. It doesn't put this little comma over here. You need to left click your mouse in if it's false. And we're not going to enter anything in here because we need to have two more true false statements. So the way to get that, to clear this, is to come up to the name box across the upper left hand corner. And when you hover over the name box, the word if appears. You want to left click your mouse once, and then you want to come back to your function or your logical test, and we want to say, okay, so if C3 is less than B3, all right, then if true, we're going to say we have seats available, right? We have seats available. And if it's false, we want to say that we're completely booked and not overbooked. And when I click OK, you can see that the word overbooked shows up in Flight 101. And when I drag my autofill down, it shows me exactly what seats are available, which ones are overbooked, and which ones are not available at all. So for example, if I change this to seats booked, and if I change this 321, let's just say to 300, all right? Look what happens. It tells me it's available. If you like this video, please subscribe, and in the comments, let me know whether or not you want some different content, more things like this. It keeps me motivated in creating content for you. Have a great day, and thank you again for your time.